Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the country in the Outnet application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Change Country/Region button, and as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find all the available countries for this application that you can set. So if you found yours, then just click on it and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.